I put together a little video of our Jeep run last Saturday, and this was near Long Barn, California. And all week long, I've not gotten down to do a little bit of audio on it. So today, we are Sunday, Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday, dispersed camping near Carson Pass, California, in eastern Sierra Nevada. And look, we get all this to ourselves. We're right along the one of the forks of the Carson River. So anyway, maybe we'll talk about this on another time. But last Saturday, our Jeep Club, Mud, Sweat, and Gears out of Sonora. Every month we do a Jeep run someplace nearby. Sometimes they're more exciting than others. I was like ho-hum about this one. It's just going to be on forest roads, but it was really cool. We saw some fun stuff. So come on, join us as we do some exploring of forest roads near Highway 108 in the Sierra Nevada, California, and near Long Barn, California. The chaparral is so beautiful.
Holy smokes.
You got to listen to Stevie Ray Vaughan and Double Trouble when you're out jeeping. Yeah, that's a must on your playlist, at least if you're jeeping with me. By the way, I thought it was a little funny. This guy was out camping with his two dogs. He seemed like a nice guy, but he was parked right in the middle of the road. At least the tent was off to the side. He moved, and we got on. Get your seatbelt wet. Woo! Oh, scary.
I want to tell you one more thing.
Yes.
I love you.
I love you too, babe. Don't ever
If I
forget
don't know how
that.
to swim, the Titanic will find me.
Okay.
get started. Back on the road.
Put on the old Amazon list, contact cleaner.
Okay. Did you hear that, everybody? My husband helped me get back on the road.
Hey everybody, this is Ariel the Jeep Dog. Thanks for watching our video, and don't forget to hit that subscribe button down there.